Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play games in Opera GX using gx.games and explain whether you can download them for offline play. First, open Opera GX and go to GX Games. gx.games. Press enter, and then here you'll find a variety of games to play. If you want, hover over the left sidebar and scroll down to see the categories you like. Now, to choose a game, just click on one. You can start playing it right away. And if you want to play a paid game, like this game, you can click purchase and it will ask you for your credentials. And then just follow the prompts for the payment. So, here's an important thing to know. gx.games is a cloud-based platform, meaning the games run online and aren't available for offline download. This setup ensures quick access without installations, but it also means you'll need an internet connection to play. While you can download these games, gx.games is designed for seamless, lag-free cloud gaming, letting you jump in instantly without waiting for downloads. If you're looking for an offline experience, you might want to check out other platforms.